U MP Kalok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Seat u Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon ha ka arpunyo terik nailar aja arpusa ula Leit Jurip ya ka Neigrihms Hospital na kabenta ban kmi ya ki jingduna ki badan hapo katei ka hospital. Habaya kren berkilat pathai kubor u Dr. Ricky ula penpa ba kadei ka kamram jong u ban Leit pet ya ki jingduna hapo katei ka hospital. Watla kadei ka hospital kabala rimbha Henry ulaong badang don shibun ki kam bahab ban le ban penbaha shushu ya katei ka hospital kenang bakan wanra ya ka jing mento ya ki patba ka jela bad kum juru ya ki banaki wei pat ki jela ki badan chakathan lam mingi. Ha ka jingkren bad u medical superintendent u professor Dr. C Daniela ulaong ba ki jingduna ki badan Neigrihms kidang bon bad ka jing e ka baki nongtre ki yakindu. Bad ulaong ba ka jingwan jong UMP ban yakendu markmat kande ka Sien jam ka babiang na ka benta ban ai jingya trelang ban kampen bah shushu ya ka ni ka jaka ai jing sumar. Ulaong ban kaliang ki nongtre bat ki association kila yo ban pensngau ya ki jing e ka baki kindu bat ban wat ikilat kumno ban weng ye kini ki jing e.
Bun kadau kaba iwan ban pej ipo Neigrihms sagadi ka singi kalong hi kum nong mi khmat wa ka laka Shillong parliamentary seat so gadi ka kamram ka jonga nade panthoi du ka shithi untuk ka ngala ai shau minister bapej ka kot ka khia juga sarkar India te ngaso gadi ka kamram ka jonga ru ban pej hi ru le jong ki khmat but ban yu i ya ka jinglong jingman ha kane ka hospital nadu gebede bat ka jing ki badon hagne ki tiar kitar ki machine nangta pada ki department kat ki ba nela ik ban pej nangta ban ngap ru ya nakaliang jong ki nurse nakaliang jong ki doctor nangta ka library bat kum ju ru kham tambe nakaliang jong ki patient namar hakini kisngi yo so shibon ki jing e ka ba ki patient ki kendo bakam kata ka kadawai rashin ka ba ki ban yo kum ba ki ju yo ki por man shwa kim yo ini ki kendiat ki ba long ya bangaso ka kamram ka jonga bangan wan ban pej ban khmi dalam jong ki khmat ban yo banyak kren ban yo snoru da ki jong ki skor ya kini ki ai baro ki bede bat kani ka hospital kani ka Neigrihms ka banadu stem kadang bakla ka kendai spa propnyo blasi mau nongrim ka ngai hadu mentang i dang don pleng shibon ki ba dang don kam ban le nagamenta ka jimentoi jong pai pa ndai tang ki ba shong ha ka state ka jong ndai wat na ki wei ki state ru jong ki ka lam mi ni ki don shibon ki ban yamenta hi ka ba ni ka ba na ka ba ngai sngo ki don shibon ki namaru director ru hagni ski umdon te le se ngandang ngap ru nakaliang jong u mo te ya mentahi idang dei tang itai bang shwan ban pet di jong ki khmat ayo sngo kita te jing e ke bi ki kendu ki jingduna bat ki don ru mdei tang ki jingduna ki don ki pedaru ko ban so ki don kum ki machine ki mi di jong ki khmat ki machine ki balong jong juk wa menta te kumta ngai khami lanti bagani hospital kumbala sengyaka kanong ka hospital kanong ka college kabanong ka jingkar khu ya kan ni ka state ka kata hi ka we namar bangin chwan pej ada klem ya le ye klem ya but din kam don jingmut te kum tu ka jing thmui kalong pa rengkat ji snok ti lang jong baro ki banu hang ni po hospital ki patient bat pai pa hi ke don kam ka jing ya lang jong baro pangin yo pan penulong ya ke bakani hospital kariban mo kariban kot kumba patmu nadu pasdang kat ka level jong ka aims no.
No, after Dr. Ricky Syngkon has become MP, this is the first time that he has come and visited us officially, and he visited. He is wanted to meet all representatives of different people of the healthcare sectors in the institution, the faculty group, resident doctors, and the nursing groups, and various workers of the institutions. And he has a long conversation with the demands made by all different sections of the healthcare workers in the institute, like faculty doctors, resident doctors, and even a nursing. So the problem faced by the institutions, and for better, so that we can serve the people of the Northeast and especially Meghalaya better. So these are the things has been put forward to the Honorable MP of Shillong, Dr. Ricky Syngkon, and he has spent a lot of time here. He visited some wards, he visited the patients and different segments of the. He actually wanted to know at first-hand information on what Neigrihms is all about, and so that he will have a clear-cut ideas what to represent the people of Meghalaya, especially in terms of healthcare facilities available in the state. So the difficulties faced by the patients and how to improve them. So he has patiently, listened to all the points put forward by different group of people in the institutions, and he has, with the permission of our director Neigrihms. So the director was also there during the meeting. He was sitting all through the meetings. So it was very fruitful, and he has a clear-cut understanding, being working as an employee of the central government himself earlier in Nehu. So I really appreciate that he has a very clear-cut understanding about the plight of how to improve, how to have a better facilities, so that the Neigrihms can serve in terms of education, of medical education, and as a patient care, so that we will serve the people of this region in a better way. So I would like to thank Dr. Ricky Syngkon for visiting us, and he's been a very educated person, and being a teaching hospital, teaching institutions. I'm sure that this. This visit of his will have a great impact, positive impact on Neigrihms and how we serve the people in terms of medical education and in terms of patient care, especially for the betterment of the Northeast.